We probably posted a video or two on these, but I wanted to catch this one while it was fresh right here at me. 2008 Ford F350. This particular one has an Altec boom, and these are usually 35 foot. Check the listing for exact details, but I believe 35 foot on these units. It's a very clean truck, as you can see. Has an Onan generator system, fiberglass body, so it will not rust. These were all fleet owned and maintained, so they have excellent tire condition, very clean interiors, file storage area. Each one of these units has been serviced and inspected. We have 12 of these currently, and I think 20 more in motion. These trucks get turned in once every 15 years, so we only have a short time of availability. This one still has the lid on the bucket, so it doesn't fill up with water. 350-pound bucket. This particular unit is $24,995. 120,000 miles. These were all current on safety apparatuses and going over. Each one of these has had some work done, such as ball joints. A couple of them have needed exhaust manifolds. Those are pretty much the common things on these trucks, which we do go over. Ball joints, do an oil change, do a state inspection, but quite a few of them have needed exhaust manifold replacement, not just gaskets, complete replacement of manifold and gasket and hardware. So we spend between $2,000 and $5,000 in typical mechanical reconditioning, and then probably another $1,000 in cleanup on these units, just to make sure they're good, clean the boxes out and all that good stuff. The new owner can put these units to work right away with no delays. Tire condition is always probably 75% or better on tread. All brand name tires, as you can see on this one, it's on Goodyears. Yeah, nice trucks. Underside, top side, seat condition, dash condition. They do not have the problems that the pesky 6.4 diesel units had of this era. Thank goodness, because those motors were very poorly designed. They do have lower controls and upper controls. Right there. Brand FX is the body, and again, all fiberglass. 240 and 120 pumping out of that generator right there. Ladder and material rack. These trucks are perfect for our guys replacing lights, doing sign work, camera work, pulling cable. Anybody doing telecommunication, also tree service. All those just got limbed up, and you see how they did that. Roof work, even aerial photography. Whatever your needs are, these things are for 25 to basically 30,000. All of them are in that budget. They're pretty darn spot on, so hard to find anything similar. Thanks for watching today. Check the website for these units or any other crazy inventory that you're looking for. Thanks again.